Welcome to EarlyON. I'm Kelly, and today we're going to learn about a special event that's taking place around the world. It's called Jane's Walk, and we're going to also learn how to make your very own journey stick. Every year since 2007, during the first week of May, people have come together around the world in their very own communities in honor of Jane Jacobs, who is an activist and writer who focused on the community approach to urban planning. Jane Jacobs is no longer with us, but her legacy lives on through these yearly celebrations. Jane's Walk activities are planned and led by volunteers around the world, and the special things that are organized look different in every community. And that's what makes Jane's Walk such a meaningful experience, because each town, neighborhood, city is unique in the amazing aspects of what is offered to those people who call it home. This year, between May 7th and 9th, Jane's Walk Brantford and Community Living Brant will be hosting a series of Jane Walks events that your family can take part in. Did you know that there is a Jane's Walk Brantford Facebook page where you can find some great activities this year? Here are a couple of activities being planned just to get you excited. You can take part in the Find the Free Little Library Walk Around Brantford. Between May 7th and 9th, simply log on to the Jane's Walk Brantford Facebook page and you can download the Google map of all the little library maps and go for a walk with your family. These little libraries have books that you're welcome to take, and then you can donate books as well. And then go home and enjoy reading with your family. Visit as many of those little libraries as you want. Want another family fun Jane's Walk activity idea that you can try? How about a selfie scavenger hunt in the county of Brant? That will take place on May 7th to 9th as well. The scavenger hunt list will be released on the Jane's Walk Facebook page on May the 7th. So your family can access that list and then go for a Jane's Walk adventure together. When you're done, send your favorite pictures to the Facebook page, and then you'll be on the list to have a chance to win some great prizes. Sound like fun? You don't want to miss it. Jane Jacobs once said, "Any community has the capability of providing something for everybody only because and only when they are created by everybody." So let's get creative and make something today that your family can take out on a walking adventure to enjoy our beautiful Brantford-Brant community. Today, we're going to create a family journey stick. To make your journey stick, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a long stick. So I have my long stick that I'm going to use, and we're going to decorate it with a few items. So if you've got some craft supplies, you can use paints or markers. You can use tape. I have some electrical tape, or you can use colorful duct tape. You might have duct tape that has really neat patterns on it. I found some beads or buttons. You can use buttons. Use your imagination because you can decorate your stick with pretty well anything. Whatever you have around the house, you can find some pretty neat stuff to decorate your stick with. As you can see, I started decorating my stick a little earlier. I used some paint to decorate with, and I painted some stripes on my stick. But you can also use tape on your stick. So I took some tape and I wrapped it around my stick. That would work too. See what I'm doing? And I'm using scissors. And this is where you might want mom and dad to help you, because it's always good when you're working with sharp things like scissors. They're there to help you. So I made stripes with the scissors, but you can use it paint or markers if you want to decorate your stick. sticks are going to look the same. They're all going to be different, and you can decorate as much or as little as you want. I can go all the way up decorating my stick, or all the way down decorating my stick with markers, paint, whatever I want to do. It's your special journey stick, so you make it look the way you want. You can also use string and beads on your journey stick. So I've got some beads. Buttons are also a good idea to use too. So I've taken some beads that I have here. I'm going to string them on. You can see here. And remember always to tie a knot on so they don't come off. So tying on my knot. You might want Mom and Dad to help you with that so they don't come off. And then tie them on the top of your stick. You wrap it around and tie it on there. Make sure it's knotted on, and that hangs onto your walk journey stick. And you're going to need more string because you're going to tie more things on and keep adding to your journey stick when you go out on your special walks around the community. Because this journey stick also becomes a special memory stick because you are going to find some special treasures on your walk. I'm sure of it. Because I've already been out on a walk and I found some special treasures. So, when you go out for a walk, always be sure to take your journey stick. You never know what treasures you will find. They can always be added. You can add these treasures once you get home, and they become a very special conversation piece. And that's time spent together out in your community makes memories together, very special memories. So here are the special things I found out on my walk. Take a look. What is this? Can you see it? Falls off the trees. Did you say a pine cone? You're right. And look what I found on the ground on my walk. I went down a trail close to my house. And I think it was from a bird that I saw there. A feather, you're right, these are feathers. I'm going to add these to my journey stick. Then I'll remember when I was out on that trail, on that special walk, I found these special treasures. And then I can talk about them the day I went on that trail, what I saw, and we can talk about it again. Because these are special treasures to me now. So I'm going to add them. I'm going to tie them on carefully. You might find things like shells, or a special stone or rock. So you might not be able to tie them. You might have to use special tape to attach them. So no two journey sticks will look the same, and each journey stick will tell a different story. I hope you enjoyed our special activity and the information that we shared on Jane Jacobs and the special Jane's Walk events. We'll see you next time.